Okay, so I'm going to be doing a video on Rufus and how to install a bootable drive for Windows or Linux or whatever you want to do. I'm sure most of you guys know this, but I just figured I was doing this today. I'd sit down and take the time to make a video on how to do it. So let's get into it. All right, so what we need to do here, you're going to go and download Rufus, their website. You'll find, just type in Rufus and download it. And if you're on Windows, there's also some other ones for ARM. Gives you a little information about it. I've been using this for a while. I used to use Belena Etcher. Sometimes I still do. I found that there can be problems between the two of them. So it's good to have both. Anyway, basically, once you get this thing downloaded, I've got somebody in the background on the radio doing CW, which is really annoying, and I don't know why they are, because it's like in the middle of the band. Anyway, ham radio, not computer. So, once you get Rufus downloaded, you open it up, you put in your media that you're going to use to write to. It should automatically show up here. It's pretty smart. It knows you're not going to try and want to write it to your primary hard drive. It'll ask you boot selection, disk or ISO, please select. You can have a couple of different options here. Non-bootable, FreeDOS, MS-DOS. For our purposes, it's going to be disk or ISO image. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to click select over here. It should have pulled up anything that's ISO. You'll find your file. So whatever ISO you want to put on there. In our case, we're going to do Windows 10 Enterprise. We'll click open. It'll come like this. The partition scheme will say GPT, target system, UEFI, non-CSM. You can change that too. I don't know. There's some format options. The volume label. I just leave everything default and then I click start. And then it will actually, on these Windows ones, it'll actually ask you some stuff that saves you a little time. It'll say Windows user experience, customize Windows installation, create a local account with the user name, which I'm going to use, set the regional options to the same value as the user, disable data collection, disable BitLocker, and then click OK. And warning, you just bought Hot Pockets. I hope you live in a trailer park. You guys ever heard Jim Gaffigan? You should check him out. Jim Gaffigan, YouTube, Hot Pockets. Look it up. It's super funny. Okay, so that's all you got to do. And when it gets done, it'll pop up a thing, and it will actually kind of, sort of confusing. Just close it out. All you got to do is just close it out, because it'll actually try and redo everything again. And so now you're good to go, and you can use your installation media. It's actually fairly quick. As you can see, we're already almost 50%. Expect to sit here for a few minutes. But anyway, that's how you use Rufus to make a bootable drive for Windows or Linux.